Today we're putting another batch of viral kitchen hacks plus one of my own, to the test.
I'm surprised it's taking you this long to think of one.
We'll do it at some stage during the video, but we're going to show you the hacks one by one so you can see what we've got to try and attempt and see if you want to try it for yourself in your very own maison de cuisine. All right, here's the first one. Leftover sun-dried tomato oil. Can you guess what it is?
An egg, so maybe some kind of omelette?
It's not an omelette, but by whizzing it all together, look, it's starting at the bottom.
Right.
And then slowly going to the top like that. Look at the colour change. Look.
Oh, it's all creamy.
Yeah, that is homemade mayonnaise using the residue from sun-dried tomato jar.
Wow.
So do you think this is going to work?
I actually do.
Yeah, me too. Homemade mayonnaise is insane, but to have that added flavour of sun-dried tomato. The only thing is, we don't really have leftover sun-dried tomatoes, so I've had to buy a jar.
So these are sun-dried tomatoes in oil with garlic and oregano. So
yeah, so the oil, garlic and oregano is going to flavour the mayonnaise, so not just like standard oil, which you do use to make homemade mayo.
Okay, so we're going to be making garlic mayo.
Yeah.
The whole jar?
The whole jar, mate.
Okay.
Yeah, let's just go for it. Little specks of flavour in there. Even some, if you get tomato in the mayo, that's going to be lush.
It's making me need a wee.
Oh my gosh, egg goes in.
Egg.
So a dollop of mustard.
Lemon juice.
So normally when you make homemade mayo, you're supposed to sort of like ease all of these things in, rather than dumping it in one go. I think it'll be fine.
So put it right down the bottom.
Yeah. Is that touching? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at it changing.
It is.
It's actually got a really good yellow hue to it. Yeah, that wow.
Wow.
It's certainly got the real like homemade colour. I kind of wanted it to be, I know it showed it in a video, it's like pure white. So
maybe I put too much mustard in it.
I think that's good though.
Yeah.
It is holding its shape.
Yeah, it is.
And we just chucked the jar in as well. It's quite rough.
Ooh.
Oh wow.
That's really nice.
That is, yeah. And to think that genuinely, we buy a lot of sun-dried tomatoes, that oil does tend to go.
It's like a sun-dried tomato mayo.
Like you could have that at a gourmet restaurant and probably be like, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm actually finding it quite addictive as well.
It's really tasty.
So is this stinking or stonking? That's our new hack rating.
Stonking.
Yes.
You set the standards high now.
I have. Damn. Have you ever been in a situation where you want to slice a garlic clove easily and get them all out pretty much with one slice?
Yes.
Me too. I don't think this is going to work. It's got the Kardashians. Look at this.
Perfect. Oh my God.
That is not going to work.
Well, you never know.
So they slice it in half, keeping it a joint, and then whack it. There is no way that's going to work. Absolutely no way at all, because you've got the skin still on the cloves. No way. No way.
Let's see.
Oh.
I think it might. I don't know why. There's no way the Kardashians did that. They didn't cook any of their own food.
So it looks like they slice down and keep a joint, okay?
Yes. Okay.
Looks like a little clamshell. Look at that. So there is actually... That in its own is quite a cool sight. Look, it's like a confused orange.
It's a smelly flower.
So we put it down on here.
Yeah.
And then literally just whack it, okay?
Yeah. Go on then, you go first.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I'll tell you what.
Not bad.
It's got like one half out, but the actual butt of the garlic clove, the bit where the hair is, right? That does not want to come off of that. That is joined on.
My go?
Yeah. What was that? Why did you do that? You went... What was that?
I don't know.
I thought you were like literally going to go like that.
Just hit my finger on the board.
Are you okay? That is a very sharp knife. Oh, see? That side there, the non-stem side.
Oh, look.
What? No, still, no.
There's no skin on that. That's
It ain't worked, mate.
Look, it popped out of there.
Did it?
Yeah, mine did.
Look, well mine haven't. See, look. Mine has still got the actual housing on it, see? Alright. Alright, had a tough morning. Try me.
Oh, they're not coming out.
Look, have it like that, down like this. A good old one whack, and that comes off perfectly.
Yeah, but their knife has got a wider surface area.
And to be fair, their stemmy bit is not on there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's too tough to cut, because that thing is probably holding it together, but to rip that out... Oh, there we go. Oh.
No.
It's...
No.
No. Stinking.
Stinking. Quite literally.
In every... Yeah. Next up, you ever been in a situation where you want to make your toast, your cheese on toast, put it prettier?
Oh, yes, why not?
Something called woven toast.
Oh.
Bread sliced with like little strands. Cheese slices, I think that's Gouda, into finger strips that get woven into the toast. Very pretty, isn't it? Shove it in the toaster, and there you go.
You cannot put that in the toaster.
Why not? Why can't we put that in the toaster? We're in the garden kitchen. There are no rules in the garden kitchen.
There are when I'm in here. The cheese will catch on fire.
It won't. It won't touch the heating element. It'll clamp it, honestly. I don't think it'll be in there long enough. We'll try it with one slice. If not, what's your, well, oven?
Put it under the grill. That's how you make cheese on toast. You put it under the grill.
They literally say toaster in the video.
Okay.
If this wasn't on camera, Mrs. B would be giving me a right old telling off right now. But for the power of the camera, I should carry this everywhere. Come on. That in its own is pretty cool. Right, so I'm just going to see. Oh, wow. Oh, that's pretty handy because the cheese slice, it's almost like it's meant to be in a sandwich. Why is the slicing the cheese with the wheel so fun? I don't know, that's actually quite cool.
So now we weave it.
We just weave it, yeah.
Oh, like at school when you do those paper weaving things. Do you remember doing those?
I was going to say, I haven't been to school for quite a while, mate. I was probably in detention or playing kiss chase.
This is quite therapeutic.
It is, it feels like we're in like a pottery class or something.
I love cheese on toast.
Good. But will you like cheese in toast? Here we go. Let's just lower that in.
I'm having no part in this.
Look, see, it's not gripping it.
We'll see.
Nothing's bad's happening yet, mate, is it? Have a look for me.
Yeah, the cheese is starting to drip down.
Where?
On there, look. That side.
I can't see it. I don't know. It's just bowing a little bit, that's all. It is definitely bubbling. But the toast... Actually, yeah, should I just press the button now?
Yes.
Oh!
Oh
no!
You've got cheese all over your toaster.
Ah, the person said on the video, toaster. Like, genuinely, oh my gosh, there is cheese all over my toaster.
Sorry.
It was an English accent that said toaster.
Don't believe everything you see on the internet.
Oh, it does look a bit sad and boring, doesn't it? Poor thing.
Yeah.
Ah, no. My thinking is now that maybe it was like what the Americans call a toaster oven.
Mm-hmm.
But the video used an English accent.
So maybe she was English living in America.
I don't know, I don't want to put it on my Christmas card list, but like... I don't know, mate, I just like... It sounded very robotic, actually, the AI... It's like AI voice proper.
It's okay. We all make mistakes.
Oh, look at the colour on that, but look at the cheese on my grill. And you've only done one side. Granted, it looks amazing.
It does. That looks really cool.
Let's have a look at the other bit.
Oh.
That still looks better than mine did, all right? But look at that.
And they didn't show the other side on the video either.
That's a very good point. On one side, it's stonking. On the other, yeah.
Stinking.
What is it, Mrs. B? It's not a chessboard. It's a...
Toast board?
cheese board.
Oh, cheese board.
Next hack. All right. For this next one, you're going to need goggles, all right?
Why is there only one set?
Well, you don't need them. I was just bored waiting for you to finish eating that.
Oh.
Have you ever been in a situation where you've come up with your own hack and now you're slightly regretting it, thinking, meh?
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Well, yeah, hopefully. On one of the recent gadget videos I did, there was a gadget that actually was a peanut butter stirrer. One of my patrons has actually got that now, so hopefully they're using it. It looked quite barbaric.
Oh, I wondered where that went.
have you ever been in a situation where your peanut butter, well, actually on two things, you want to sort of stir it to get a nice even mix, but also like this one, hopefully you can see it there. There is oil separated from that main batch of peanut butter, where it's just been sat in storage for so long. So, I don't have that gadget anymore.
I know.
But what we do have is an electric whisk.
I see what we're going to do.
Oh, or is it that? No, it's not the most advanced one, sorry. So this electric whisk has... I only need one anyway, actually. Like dough hooks, which are amazing. Let's make sure it's not on the high speed setting. Right, okay, here we go.
Is peanut butter going to go everywhere?
Not if I do it on the if I do it on like...
Then yes.
Speed 1, I'll hold the jar.
Okay.
Is that speed 1?
Yeah. That's working.
Is it?
Yeah.
I invented a hack.
Woohoo! That's really good.
Is it really?
Yeah, look how
Oh yeah.
smooth it is.
Oh my word.
Nope.
Mate, look. It's glossy now. It's slightly glossier and even and pourable, but even from the beater. Huh?
Well
I feel
done.
like I've slightly given myself redemption in this video today. Any good?
Oh.
All right. Really sticky, isn't it, peanut butter?
Why does peanut butter always smell so much better than it tastes?
I have nothing to say to that.
Stonking.
Yes. It worked.
Woo!
That's the second best moment of my life after
Yeah?
having kids. Yeah.
Okay.
Speaking of weddings, hey!
Hey! Oh!
Sorry, I just washed that broccoli. A broccoli hack that apparently is recommended by chefs. You need a cheese grater and a pan.
Hey!
As if by magic. Yes. So what, as you stand there holding a grater, do you think we're going to do?
Are you going to put the little things through here?
What, every broccoli floret?
Yeah.
What, are you mad? The amount of food hack abuse you've given me today, young lady. Okay, wedge it down. It's proper in there, isn't it? Chefs love this trick. Wait 5 minutes over steaming water. I reckon it'll take longer than 5. Up it goes. Pop it out. And this bit really offends me. You chops this up, so that's great, and then you chuck that away. That's good, that stuff.
No, it's not. That was quite fun when you went like that.
Yeah, so you literally do. I'm slightly worried that this is... We might have to take one side off. I mean, try it. Try and wedge it in there. Oh. Right.
Either the grater's too small or the broccoli's too big.
Stick it in there again.
Hang on. You wedged it in.
Yeah, that ain't gonna go. That ain't gonna go, mate.
Let's use gravity.
Don't use gravity. You're gonna grate your hand off. No, don't, mate. Don't do that. Come on, we're supposed to be adults here. We don't want to wedge it too much. There we go. Right.
Okay.
Oh, gosh, even still.
There's going to be no broccoli left.
There we go.
Yay. Okay.
Great. Yeah, and I guess once it softens up, it should be a lot easier to get out.
Yeah.
The only problem is, yeah, you need to make sure you got the right broccoli size or you're left with a load of this.
So take your grater with you when you go shopping to measure.
I think... Oh, that's hot.
Ooh.
That is going to take more than 5 minutes. Just my gut feeling.
We don't want soggy broccoli though.
It's actually been 10 minutes. We've let the water reduce right down. At 5, it still looked really stale. But in the last extra 5 now, it does look like a hedge. So we're just going to let it stand for a minute because this actual grater is like a furnace.
It is hot.
But you can see the stem of the broccoli just poking out there. So we should be able to just prod it down. That's one good thing, I guess.
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you think it's going to work?
I do. We might need to use the toast tongs to get it out.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's coming.
Hey!
Hey!
Oh, I don't know, though. That feels really cold.
But these look cooked.
So the hack was turn it over and then literally end off and then boom, boom. That is raw. I can see that
Yeah.
already.
Me too. I think that needed longer than 10 minutes.
It said 5. You don't want to try it?
No, thank you.
Right. Take it from me, that was atrocious. Like literally, this
Oh,
is just as cooked. Stinking.
stinking.
This last one is quite dangerous, but if it works, it could revolutionise many, many puddings.
Oh no.
Genuinely, I've got little granules of broccoli everywhere in my mouth. Have you ever been in a situation where you want to turn any dessert into a crème brulée?
Oh.
Look at that. Look! It's literally right at the end. There's a very quick scene of them warming up the spoon. See?
So the spoon is just warmed up.
Yep. Heat a metal spoon over a flame and press it onto the sugar-topped custard to caramelise.
Okay, that spoon's gonna have to get pretty hot.
Yeah.
This isn't the most dangerous hack.
Well,
you've showed
if
me.
we're holding a metal spoon, mate, and the end is warming, surely that's going to run down the other end and get hot, right?
Yes.
So this should work with any dessert, really. What would you have bought? I nearly bought a yoghurt, but I thought the sugar could soak in.
I was thinking custard.
Yeah, custard, yeah, definitely.
Because that's like
Well, pretty much, yeah.
creme brulee, isn't it?
Very similar consistency, but this is a cheesecake, so we'll get like something firm at least, right? So, with the spoon that is going to get warmed up, we just sprinkle, doesn't need to be too much.
That's a lot.
Should we just do one and see what happens?
Yes.
All right, here we go. You look extremely confident there,
I'm
Mrs. B,
really
and your
quite
glove
scared.
looks enormous.
Where can I drop it if it gets too hot?
I don't know.
Right, shall I go for it?
Yeah, have a go. Oh! Oh my gosh!
Oh!
That is doing it! It's stopped already, but there was a sizzle, there is a smoke. Look at that!
That's working.
That is, isn't it? You've got to go again.
Yeah, but
The problem is that, yeah.
we need another spoon.
Oh yeah, because that's stuck to it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so for this creme brulee hack to work, you need about 800 spoons. Alright, I just want to try something like straight away.
Well, that didn't take long.
Oh my gosh, yeah. And I've only got a little bit on there, so I think I can get away with warming that up again. And even the sugar that is on the top of the spoon, look at that.
Yeah.
That is caramelising, look. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Ugh. Oh gosh, I got burnt sugar. We need another spoon. Right, should we just agree we'll do one more spoon? There is the smoke coming off.
It actually does work. I'm quite impressed.
It's just going to take a very long time. So like maybe a bigger jar possibly to do it, but I don't know if I like the theory that, well, it's not as dangerous as I thought.
Yeah.
It does sort of work. Stinking?
Stinking.
Stinking. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you wish for regular food fun videos each week. And of course, check out the rest of the hacks playlist. It will go on for blooming days. Favourite and worst today?
I actually like yours, the peanut butter one.
What are you after? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I was going to say that. I think the mayonnaise blew my mind. The broccoli, I don't know.
I did like the woven bread.
Yes, very cool. Cheese board.
Yeah.
I think that the broccoli one was actually worse than the garlic one.
Yeah, but the broccoli one would have worked if you just left it on for longer.
Yeah, it said 5 and we gave it 10. I
Yeah.
know, I see what you're saying. Okay. Well, let us know your thoughts down below. Keep the hacks coming in because they just get added to the list for future videos. And we'll see you later. Ciao for now. Bye. Any final thoughts, Mrs. B?
Do you not put cheese in the toaster?
Yes. Yes.
I was right.
Well, you were, but like I genuinely thought it'd be in there for so little that it would just.
There's no buts. Just I was.